Hi, I'm Kwazi.
Hi, my name is Clinton.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Kyle Clark.
My name is Kenneth. Wait. I'm a technician by trade. I worked for Mercedes-Benz for 6 years. During that time, I found Forex trading. My name is Kenneth, and this is my side hustle.
Here we go.
Okay, Kwaz. A side hustle starts with a very important question that we all ask ourselves. Okay?
Sure.
What was that question for you, girl?
To be honest, when I started off, honestly, I had a lot of questions going on in my mind. But to be honest, the main question for me was, what am I going to do to make that extra income?
Right.
Because I had lost my job and I had to try and now get up and see what it is that I need to do to make that extra income. Secondly, I had just become a new mom. So I was asking myself, what is it that I need to do to make my son's life better? You know, as also my mom is a single parent and I'm the firstborn. So I had that thing of, I need to try and make ways to help my mom also. Another thing that I thought of was, is this something that I'm really going to do in the long term? Is it something that I'm going to have the passion for? And before I even went for my training, am I really going to get it right? This is eyelashes that I'm going to be dealing with. So I had a lot of questions that was going on in my mind, but I thought to myself, you know what, because I already have that passion in beauty, that love for beauty, let me just try it out and see where it can take me. Hi, I'm Kwazi. By profession, I'm a flight attendant. I've been flying for 11 years. I am also the owner and founder of Sinezipho Beauty Bar, and that is my side hustle.
Okay, Clint. So you obviously must have thought of some goals when you thought of these side hustles before actually, thinking about how you were going to reach those specific goals. What were those goals? What did they look like?
The goals for me at the end of the day was purely to make a success of my side hustle. And the biggest goal for me was to take the side hustle and to make it my mainstream of income at the end of the day. So that was the most important goal for me. Second goal was to be part of the competitors that was out there at the moment.
Right.
So whatever industry that I was in, I wanted to be part of those big firms that's out there. Yes, might be as small as I was at that moment, but that was my biggest goal, was to be able to provide the same service as what our corporates or what our service providers are providing. Actually, currently, there's been in the industry for hundreds of years. And yes, like I said, that was one of the goals that I was focusing on. And the journey that I took actually created those doors and opened those doors for me. Hi, my name is Clinton Alberts. I'm the owner of the Backyard Kitchen. Currently, I'm taking you through the journey of me working for corporate. That's currently the biggest corporate company in South Africa. For 20 years, I was working for them. Used to be a staff member. And as we know, the growth that comes by working for a corporate company, the knowledge that you're receiving and the people that you share with on a day-to-day basis. While working for a corporate company, I then decided to start a side hustle, and that is my current day-to-day job as a transport service provider. The business that used to be my side hustle is currently my core function, is what I do on a daily basis. Through the journey by being a service provider, I then had an opportunity to start an additional side hustle, and that is the Backyard Kitchen. The Backyard Kitchen is a company, a restaurant that provides service on a daily basis to schools, our community, church groups. We're selling food, taking normal food, homely food, and turning it into something great.
So, Carl, got
Yes.
2 stages to
Okay.
an idea, guys.
Yes.
Okay, the first one would literally be the starter idea. Okay, so tell me what the starter was before we get to the next session of the idea.
What do you mean, like by starter
Okay.
idea? Like a
Okay, let me elaborate. We've got 2 sections, right?
Yes.
The first stage would be the starter one, and the second one would literally be the level up
Okay.
or the next level
Yes.
of that particular idea.
Got you.
So where are you right now, or where was, if you are still in the starter phase
Yeah.
of the idea, what is that starter phase for you? And then secondly, what is that next level phase of the idea?
So, the starter, yes, 2 sections, 100%. I definitely started in the starter phase. And in the beginning, it was me connecting myself with brands, trying to find a way to create content through their work. I wasn't really looking for any payment. I was just looking for opportunity to create. That's all I wanted. I wanted brands to connect with me and give me an opportunity to create within their brand. And that was the beginning. So in the beginning, it started off with trade exchanges. It started off with, just building relationships with brands around me and being able to produce quality and exceptional work. And I feel like now, and you know, I don't want to toot my own horn, but I feel like now I'm definitely at a pro stage. I have managed to build an incredible community that, you know, engages with my content. I don't have a massive following. I have about 33,000 with a reach of almost 4 million, which is incredible. However, the difference between myself and other celebrities and personalities or social content creators out there is that I come with a community, I come with loyalty, and it took me years to build community. And I think that has taken me from start to pro, because in the start, everyone is just watching me. And now I'm at a pro level where I have almost close to 300,000 behind my back listening to every single word that I have to say, and that's the most important part.
Awesome.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Kyle Clark. I am the CEO of Clark Media. So we are a unique boutique full service agency. We run digital brands and digital marketing for incredible companies. And my side hustle, which is something that I'm extremely passionate about, is I'm a full-time content creator and TV personality. So I put a lot of energy and passion into content creation because before I actually started my marketing agency, I fell in love with creating magic and creating content. And that's been the most powerful thing for me so far.
You literally decided to go straight into the trading industry. Out of all industries, why did you choose trading?
Okay, so growing up, you know, not having much, it has always been a goal to become a millionaire one day. And I found that in my 9 to 5, I wasn't going to get to that point much earlier in my life. So I had to basically find something that was going to propel me towards my goal much sooner. And when I came across trading, it was that for me.
100%. Keenan Ria John here, life coach and NLP practitioner. We'll be sharing individuals that's literally walking the walk and talking the talk. And they're going to be sharing some incredible nuggets on how they are literally walking their side hustle journey.
Okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold.